I'm not a Catholic, but I'm a Christian and a friend of Catholics. That's why we are all very pained at the loss of Pope Francis. As Moses has already said, he was the first Pope from the global south, and he exemplified the spirit of hope, of reconciliation, and of compassion wherever he went. When he came here, he was a very simple person, and he met and talked with people of all walks of life. He was a very charitable person, and he has traveled the length and the breadth of the world, unlike any other pope before him. He's been to Africa, several parts of Africa, to Asia, of course to America and Europe generally. And each time there is trouble or problems anywhere in the world, he has been a voice of reason. He has spoken for the downtrodden, he has spoken for the oppressed, whether it was in Indonesia, whether it was in Gaza, whether it was in Mexico, wherever it was, he has spoken very strongly against injustice around the world. And he has also been charitable in supporting those who are in want, those who are deprived. So this really is a true representative of Christianity, humanity generally. We live in a world that is torn with injustice. We've seen women and children dying in Gaza, and the Pope was so passionate about it, and has traveled to those places to condole with those who have been bereaved. That's why his death is a big, big loss to humanity. We hope that the Catholic Church will be blessed with another Pope of the style and kind of Pope Francis, what we just lost. So we join you during this very, very sad period of mourning as we mourn the Pope. On behalf of members of our party, we convey our condolences, and we are going to be with you in prayer at this time as we lay the Pope to rest. May the Lord rest his soul in eternal peace. Thank you.